My name is David Gant. I always felt I was destined for a life of adventure. It didn't quite pan out that way until I met Miss Kelly Campbell.
Don't speak, even whisper.
What would you do with $1 million?
Probably start my own business. Maybe be a bounty hunter.
Nice.
You know, put a cap in their eye.
Oh, that burns!
Oh my gosh, David, let me see.
Oh, God!
I think that bullet just went straight between your cheeks.
Yeah, it feels like it just grazed my biscuits right there betwixt them.
Kelly tells me y'all work together over at Loomis. That strikes me as an incredible opportunity.
You talking about robbing a bank?
How hard can it be? You load up a truck, and you drive away.
Police are calling it one of the largest cash heists ever. Authorities are now searching for this man.
Here, this is a disguise I made for you.
$16.78.
That looks like if Jesus and the cat had a baby.
17 million missing. 17!
I know you're just two good men doing a difficult job.
It's time to cut David Gant from the team.
We can't do this. This is wrong.
So, who y'all want me to kill?
Whoa! Not now, not in front of.
Is it one of them?
No.
Please go upstairs right now.
See y'all in a little bit.
David Gant is here for revenge.
Hey, Steve, I guess you just messed with...
Ooh, what were you gonna say?
Brace your boobies.
What?
Sometimes the only way out is through.
No, 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 no.
Did not see that one coming.
What you gonna do?